Science Bellwork, Week 18, Day 3. Still reading and looking into how microwave ovens cook food. Yesterday we kind of observed and read into the development, who invented the microwave, along with materials that are able to absorb, materials that are able to reflect, and materials that do neither. We also learned about the two properties of microwaves that allow it to work well for cooking food. I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first paragraph. Just follow along as I read. The invention of microwave ovens has changed the way people cook. Cooking with microwaves is much faster and uses less electricity compared to cooking with conventional electric ovens. Electric ovens create heat by passing an electric current through metal wires called filaments. The filaments get hot and heat the air inside the oven, which in turn gradually heats the food. In contrast, a microwave oven sends out waves that directly excite the water molecules in food, causing them to heat up almost immediately. This heating effect is the result of electromagnetic fields that microwaves produce. The fields change direction billions of times each second, and water molecules move in tune with these fields. As the water molecules try to align with the constantly changing direction of the electromagnetic fields, the water molecules flip back and forth at a very fast pace. This movement translates into heat. So that would be kind of like the friction between your hands when you rub them together pretty fast. And obviously you notice that that creates thermal energy because your hands get hot. Kind of very similar situation there. Part A, I want you to write conventional oven, microwave oven, or both to answer each question. Number 1, which kind of oven has metal filaments that get hot when electricity flows through them? Well, if you remember from the first paragraph, that would be conventional oven, because you see in this sentence electric ovens create heat by passing an electric current through metal wires called filaments. So that would be conventional oven. So number 1 is conventional oven. Which kind of oven uses less electricity than the other? Well, if you remember from the reading, we read that microwave ovens actually use less electricity than conventional oven. So that would be microwave oven. Which kind of oven uses heat to cook food? Well, they both use heat to cook food. Both a conventional oven and a microwave oven. You need that thermal energy, you need that heat to be able to cook whatever it is you are trying to cook in either source. So that would be both. And then number 4, which kind of oven excites the water molecules in food? Well, that would be microwave oven, because if you see in the second paragraph, talking about how it excites the water molecules in the food. Well, actually, that's first paragraph, bottom of the first paragraph, my fault. In contrast, a microwave oven sends out waves that directly excite the water molecules in food. So bottom of the first paragraph. For number 4, that would be microwave oven. B wants us to complete the paragraph. So microwaves produce blank that are constantly changing direction. Let's look at that bottom of the second paragraph where it says, as the water molecules try to align with the constantly changing direction of the electromagnetic fields. So that would be electromagnetic fields that goes in the blank. And water blank try to move in tune with these fields. That would be the water molecules in food. Okay, so the last one would be molecules. There you have it, folks. Week 18, Day 3 Science Bellwork. Make sure you watch this video to check your responses, and I hope you guys have a good day.